Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to episode 6 of Java for Beginners. Now, in the previous episode, I showed you how to write the if statement, which let our program make decisions on its own. But this time, I'm going to show you the switch, which is very similar. It lets the computer make decisions as well, but in a slightly different fashion. So, first of all, let's make an integer to test. We'll make an int fave number, and we'll set this equal to 3. Now, to write a switch statement, we write the word switch, and inside the parentheses, we write the name of the variable, which we are going to be testing. So we are going to write favorite number, and then we have our curly braces after that. Now, inside the curly braces, we write the word case, then the number we're testing for. So let's test if favorite number is 1, and then a colon, not a semicolon, a regular colon. So basically we say switch, we're going to test the favorite number, and in case the favorite number is 1, we're going to do a little bit of code. So let's just do system.out.println, and we'll just say I like the number 1, 2. Let's say I like the number 1 as well, because I like the number 1, 2 kind of sounds like. Anyways, now after we write all of the code we want to run, we have to write a break, which basically says it's the end of this case. So let's make another case. We'll do in case favorite number is 2. We will print out something different. I'm just going to copy and paste it. That's right. I think the number 2 is groovy. And let's do one more test. We'll do in case favorite number is 3. We will print out 3 is not cool. And now, just like the if statement has an else, so if you remember, we wrote all of our ifs and else ifs, and then at the very end we would have one else statement, which would be kind of the default. So if everything else was false, the else would run. The switch also has something like that, but it's called default, and we don't write a number or anything. We just write the word default and a colon. And so basically the switch, it'll test all of these cases, but if none of these cases turn out true, it'll just do the default. So in the default, we'll do system.out.println, and we'll say I don't know that number. End it with a semicolon and a break. So let's go ahead and run the program. So we have favorite number is 3, so it should say 3 is not cool. Yep, right there, 3 is not cool. Let's test out the 2. And it says I think the number 2 is groovy. Let's test out 1. It says I like the number 1 as well. And now let's test out something other than 1, 2, or 3. So we'll test out 978. Run this, and it says I don't know that number. So that about wraps up this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.